In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the status macro in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to display a status indicator. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you want the status to appear. Type status and select the status macro from the list of available options. Once the macro is inserted, enter the status text you want to display. This could be something like in progress, complete, approved, blocked, or any label that fits your workflow. After entering the text, choose a color that matches the meaning of the status. For example, green can indicate completion, yellow can represent work in progress, and red can highlight issues or blockers. When you're satisfied with the text and color, insert the status into the page. You can add multiple status macros throughout your document to track tasks, projects, approvals, or important updates. The status macro also works well inside tables, making it easy to create visual project trackers and progress reports. After adding your statuses, review the page to ensure everything is clear and easy to understand. Then click Publish to save your changes. Your status indicators will now appear as color-coded labels, helping team members quickly understand the current state of work at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the status macro in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.